Hello and welcome everyone in today's grammar period. Students, today vocabulary 7th topic, that is phrasal verbs, that today we are going to see. What means phrasal verbs? See, phrases where the verb is modified with the help of an adverb or a preposition are called phrasal verbs. Phrases means what? Group of words. In that group of words, verb is there. And verbs meaning is changed with the help of what? Adverb or preposition. That only it is called phrasal verbs. Modified means what? Changes. Means phrases where the verb is changed. Means meaning of the verb is changed with the help of adverb or preposition. That phrases are called phrasal verbs. We'll see some examples to understand this concept. Blow up, come forward, break in, look up, forward to. These are the examples of phrasal verbs. Now blow up, this is phrasal verb, and this verb is modified. Which is verb? Blow. It is modified, means meaning change with the help of preposition. Up is preposition. So blow up, if you write up, the meaning of this verb change, and this phrase only it is called what? Phrasal verbs. Second example, come forward. In this come is verb and forward is what? Adverb. Now this verb is modified, means verb meaning is changed with the help of adverb. Come forward, this meaning is changed, so this word is called what? Phrasal verb. We'll see next table, study the tables in these phrasal verb which are given up, that meanings and the sentence it is given. Phrasal verb first, blow up. Blow up means what? Meaning of this word is exploit. Exploit means what? Burst. And the sentence of this phrasal verb is, the scientist blew up his laboratory while conducting his new experiment. Means blow up, past tense, blew up it is wrote. And with the help of blew up the sentence is made. Next, come forward. The meaning of come forward is what? Volunteer. Volunteer means what? Freely offer to do something. Means come forward. And the sentence is made or wrote, it is that the children came forward to clean the garbage from the streets. Next, break into. Break into means what? Forcefully enter into a building. And the sentence is of this phrase is, or phrasal verb is, the firemen broke into the house to save the puppies. And last one, look forward to, means to eagerly start something. And the sentence is, I always look forward to learning new things at the beginning of a session. Session means what? Period devoted to a particular activity, means which period is given for a particular activity, that is called session. Maybe morning session, evening session. Next, a dictionary helps us to look up the meaning and uses of the phrasal verbs. Means dictionary helps us to see the meaning of phrasal verbs and also its uses. Means how to use phrasal verb, that also tell you or show the information about that dictionary. Next, first question, fill in the blanks using the phrasal verbs given in the box. Here phrasal verbs are given that you have to use in the fill in the blanks. First, A, the manager turned down the idea. Turn down means what? Reject something. The manager rejected the idea. Next, B, the girl felt left out among the seniors. Left out means what? To be sad. C, the traffic was held up by the policeman. Held up means what here? To continue to operate. Means the traffic was operated by a policeman. Next, D, the child spilled milk, so I had to take off my shirt. Or take off means what? Leave suddenly. Leave suddenly means to allow something to stay in a particular place. Means he removed the shirt because child spilled milk. Next, E, please turn down the music, I have an exam tomorrow. Turn down means reduce the volume. Next, F, mother put out the fire before it could burn the curry. Put out means what here? Stop. G, Sana tried on 3 coats before she found the red one. Tried on means she wore or she wear. H, mother hung up the telephone as it was a wrong number. Hung up means what here? To end a phone conversation. Mother end the phone conversation because it was wrong number. Next question will solve. Make sentence of your own with these phrasal verbs. These phrasal verbs are given. With the help of that you have to make sentences. First, look up. Look up means what? Search. And the sentence of this, the child look up at the sky. B, calm down. Now calm down means what? To begin to feel relaxed. The sentence of this, you must try to calm down. Next next C, give up. Give up means what? Stop doing it. The sentence, the teacher told the students to give up their answer sheets. Next D, put up with means tolerate. I cannot put up with Rima's rude behavior. Sentence will be. Next E, showed up. Showed up means what here? To expose means open it. Finally, after a long wait, the taxi showed up. And F, call on. Call on means what? To visit someone for a short time. I will call on my friend on Sunday. This is the sentence. Here is the end of this lesson. Students, today's homework, you have to complete the page number 88 and 89 from grammar book and you have to read it. Thank you.